chopper's going again. Eat good, it's the 4th of July. There's an 8-week-old bulldog puppy a few yards away on my right, so he's getting cute. Come on, Thunderstorm, don't be camera shy. Flash for day. Oh, there you go. That was not me. You can hear it though. Don't be camera shy. Ooh, that was good. That was CS lightning. Cloud of sky. Mom, have you ever seen cloud of sky? Oh! Here we go. This ain't gonna take long. That was probably the 5-minute warning that they were gonna start shooting them off. That's good. That thunderstorm's starting to. Chopper's going again. See his nav light. I'm shooting off mini fireworks right now, just trying to get our attention. And then the big ones will start. Stupid gnat. Ooh, that one's good. Mom, have you ever seen the cloud of sky lightning? Well, aside from just now. If you can see the lightning going on. Can't see anything else because it's so dark out here in Indianapolis, but that's about 30 miles away, and that thing is huge. You can see the lightning tops thousands of feet. You can see this. You can see the clouds getting orange. All right, well, listen, I'm running out of space on my iPod here, so I gotta stop this video. But oh, that was good. Hopefully, this was a good light show for you, and the fireworks are gonna start here in a few minutes. So I gotta figure out which video to delete. So see you later.